Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at the brand new laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet, but I'll also be comparing it to the original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. So let's check it out. Alright, so right here I have the brand new laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet, and a little over a year ago I did do a review on the actual Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. And a little later on in this video I'll be showing you the differences between the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet here and the laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet right here. So let's put this to the side right now and let's check out this brand new box the laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet comes in. You can see it comes in a larger box and it has the Damascus pattern on the top. Then we flip it to the back side and it goes over some of the features, but I'll be going over that very shortly. But what's really important is this little graphic right here in the corner. It says SUS 304 Damascus Ridge wallet. So let's open up this box here and we are greeted with a welcome to Ridge insert. It has that same Damascus pattern on the top here, and as I open it up we have a Ridge wallet sticker. And on the inside here it just gives you some advice on how to get started with your brand new Ridge wallet. And then on the back of the insert it tells you how to change from the cash strap over to the money clip. Next we have a cleaning cloth there, and then there we go, we get our first look at the laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet. So let me take this out of the box. I'm gonna give you guys a nice close-up of the new laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet before I start going over what else comes in this bundle. So if I catch the light just right, you can see those nice Damascus patterns in this wallet. It looks beautiful. So I'm gonna put this down for just a second and let's take a look at what else comes in this bundle. So we have our standard Ridge Torx screwdriver. We have some additional screws right there, and this is what I really like right here. So they gave us the money clip, and on the actual Ridge wallet it comes with the cash strap. So now you don't have to make the decision, do I want the cash strap or the money clip, because now it comes with both. And then it looks like the last thing in the bundle here is a replacement elastic strap. So let me put all this to the side, and while you guys are checking out the close-up of the new laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet, let's talk about some of the features. So as you guys already know, the Damascus pattern here is laser engraved into SUS 304 stainless steel, and it's inspired by the forged welding techniques of modern Damascus. It can hold between 1 to 12 credit cards and bills in the cash strap or money clip. It's a sandwich style wallet where we have these two steel plates held together by a piece of reinforced elastic. And because these plates are made of 304 stainless, it naturally blocks RFID. And just like every other Ridge wallet, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. Alright, so that's enough for the quick features. Let's talk specs. So the Ridge wallet measures in at 3.39 inches by 2.13 inches, and it has a thickness of 0.24 inches. And they say this laser etched Damascus weighs 2.5 ounces on the website, so let's weigh it. Alright, so I'm gonna weigh this without any cards in there, but I am gonna weigh it with this elastic and cash strap still on it. But that shouldn't weigh much. So it says, alright, 3.4 ounces, and in grams it comes out to be 96 grams. Alright, so now let's weigh it against the original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet, and just keep in mind this has the money clip, but these money clips don't weigh much at all. So let's take this off, plop it on the scale, and it says exactly 3.4 ounces, so that should be 96 grams. So based on my weight test, these weigh exactly the same. The only difference here is this one has a money clip, this one has a cash strap. I just so happen to have the money clip right here from the new bundle, so let's just weigh this and see how much this weighs. Alright, so it weighs 8 grams. Now I don't have an extra cash strap to take off and actually weigh it against this money clip, but I figure they probably weigh the same just because the amount of metal right here plus the elastic probably weighs 8 grams. But that's just a hunch, but I still find it really interesting that these wallets came out to be exactly the same weight. Alright, so now let's go over the differences between their two Damascus wallets. Right here is their original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet that I did a review on about a year and 2 months ago. And right here is their brand new laser etched Damascus, and you can see the major differences right away. You can see with the laser etched, the Damascus pattern is way more pronounced than the original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. And there's a reason for that, because this is actually laser etched into steel, so it does have a texture on the front and back here, as opposed to the original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet where it's just completely smooth. And it's completely smooth because this Damascus Steel Ridge wallet is actually forged with 2 types of steel. So that's the reason why this original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet is so expensive. It's actually forged Damascus with multiple steels, as opposed to laser etching the Damascus pattern into 304 stainless. So after receiving many comments on my original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet video, I was curious at why they came out with the new model and discontinued the old Damascus Steel model. So I got a hold of my contact over at the Ridge, and he explained to me why they discontinued the original Damascus Steel model. So I'll read you the actual email he sent to me. So he says the original Damascus, which is right here, was actually forged. It was heavy, expensive, and required a lot of upkeep. You had to lubricate it not to rust. And then he goes on to say, we didn't feel this reflected our values of durability and minimalism. So the new laser etched Ridge wallet emulates the Damascus pattern on a steel plate. It's lighter, more affordable, and requires less upkeep. So basically what he's saying is the original Damascus Steel, even though it is a forged Ridge wallet, didn't really reflect what Ridge stood for as a company. They just felt like it was too much upkeep for a minimalist wallet, so that's why they came out with this brand new laser etched in 304 stainless. So there's a lot less upkeep on this model because you don't have to lubricate it and you don't have to worry about it rusting. And the laser etched Damascus is more affordable, but let's talk about that for a second. The Damascus Steel Ridge wallet here went for $300 and the laser etched Damascus is $175. Yes, technically it is more affordable, but both are still a very premium price. And at $175 versus $300, you also get the additional screws, the screwdriver, the money clip and cash strap, and a replacement elastic strap, versus the original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet, which only comes with the additional screws and your Torx screwdriver. So when you stack them up side by side, they look very, very similar, and you just get a lot more with the new laser etched Damascus for $125 less than the original Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. So hopefully this clears up a lot of confusion, because I was getting a lot of comments on my original video not understanding that these were 2 very different wallets. And for those of you who have never seen one of my Ridge wallet videos, I'm gonna go over quickly just how you use this wallet. So they say it can hold between 1 to 12 cards. So let me take a single demo card here. And I've always liked how easy it is to insert your cards into the Ridge wallet. And that's due to this little curve right here at the opening. Get real close, you guys can see. So it's real super easy just to slide your cards in as so. And that's just one single card. And because it's held together by elastic, constantly putting pressure on the 2 plates, that single card is going nowhere even if I shake it as hard as I can. And to get that card out, super easy. So we have a thumb notch right here. So what you want to do is put your thumb down there, your middle finger, and just push it up as so. Let me do that again because that was a bad angle. Push it up just like that. And now you can just easily grab your card, pay, and stick it right back into the wallet. Super easy. But what about if you have multiple cards? So let's take out another 4 cards, stick them all in there at once. So now we have a total of 5 cards. And it's the same deal. Push up with your thumb, hold it with your middle finger or forefinger, doesn't really matter. And take the cards out, and what I like to do is fan them out just like that, because when you fan them out, now I can get the cards right out of the middle. Super easy. Take that one and push these right back in. So it's been about 2 years since I did my very first Ridge wallet video, and since then I've really learned to love how you get the cards in and out of this wallet. If you guys saw my first video, I was a little bit confused on how this would work, because I think they said you have to push these up and then fan them out or something like that, which just doesn't work. So if you use the technique of pushing them up, pulling them out, and then fanning them, it's just so much easier. So there's 5 cards in here right now. Here's 7 more. I actually have 5 flat and 2 embossed. So let's get these in there. I'll put them all in at once. Super easy, just like that. So there we go. There's the maximum amount that Ridge recommends that you put in the wallet, 12. And yes, obviously it's elastic. It can hold a lot more cards. I can stretch this thing out for days. But they recommend 1 to 12 because then you won't be stretching out this elastic too much and you get more life out of this elastic band. But if you need to put more than 12 cards in there, it'll obviously hold. And if you're a cash carrier, they have you covered too, because it comes with this cash strap on here. If you're not a cash strap lover, just put on the money clip. I'm a big fan of the money clip, but if you have to carry more bills, keep the cash strap on. Because it's made of elastic, you can stick as many bills under here as you want. As you can see here on the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet, I can only get about, I would say, 8 to 10 bills under here without feeling like it's stretching the heck out of this money clip. So right here I have 4 bills, fold them into quarters, and just lift up the strap. And there you go. And I'll demonstrate the Ridge money clip on the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet, and because it has this upswept curve to it, it's real easy just to slip your bills under as so. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the new laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet? The Ridge wallet was my very first wallet review that I did on this channel, so I always have a soft spot for the Ridge wallet. Love them or hate them, you can't deny that they make a quality product. Yes, they are a little bit on the high end when it comes to price, but I feel like you get what you pay for. Now, if you guys want to check out the laser etched Damascus Ridge wallet for yourself, I will leave links below in my description box. And yes, I do have a special code just for my subscribers. I'll leave that in my description box too. And just to clear up any confusion, no, I do not see a dime if you use that code. The Ridge gave me that code just so you guys can save 10%. I don't see a penny. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and go!